Hi, Stephanie here. I wanted to do a quick tutorial today, and the subject is Lost and Found Edges. So I came across this passage this morning when I came back out. I worked on this painting yesterday, and when I came out this morning, I noticed these two edges that caught my attention, and I want to share that with you today. So here we go. What we're looking at here is this particular area right here. As you can see, there are two edges there that are very hard, and they catch your attention. They catch your eye's attention as you're moving through the painting, looking at it. Of course, this is just the upper corner, I know. But these two edges are dissonant in my mind. They just caught my eye right away because they stop you. They stop you from moving through the painting. And in fact, the hard edges continue around. And there's also one down here that I would rather have more like the light is moving through this shape, which is defined by three sides of hard edges. And I would like to reduce this one. By a hard edge, I mean something, well, obviously it's hard. And this is called a found edge in painting. The lost edge is the soft edge. Like here's a very nice lost edge, which draws your eye into the shape and even may invoke some imagination of what this is, rather than the hard edge is very defined. So this is called lost and found edges. You want to have a mix of these, and in many cases, it's better not to have two hard edges right next to each other. So this can be fixed. This is what I want to do this morning. I would like to fix that, and I've chosen this as the hard edge that I don't want. And I'm going to keep the reddish edge that's above that. What you need is very clean water and a brush that's a nice soft brush, very clean water, and some paper towel for blotting. And I'm going to go ahead and get my brush very wet and make sure it's clean. I see there's a little blue left from yesterday on there. So get my brush very clean, and I'm just going to softly run the brush along this hard edge here to try to reduce that look here so that I don't have that sort of irritating little edge pulling my eye. All right, so I'm going to blot this a little bit, just trying to soften it up a little bit, and I like that. Yep, I like that much better. And then I'm also going to do a little bit down here in that entry area of the light through the nebula cloud here, and just get that a little softer as well. It doesn't take much, and I think that this greatly improves the design and how your eye moves through this thing, through the painting, which is the whole point. We don't want the eye to just stop at an area unless we want it to stop there. And that is the point of lost and found edges. Okay, I'm going to let that dry and we'll go from there. Thanks for visiting.